Okay, today I have a very busy day. All right, I did my longevity workout. Took me about 45 minutes or so. I incorporated a little bit of cardio with the sled, did some stretching, and did some resistance training. So that was really good. Now I'm going to get into some planting. Over here, see, I've got my one papaya tree. It's got some nice papayas up top, and I've got these two little babies over here, but I'm planning on putting in more. I'd like to put in maybe 5 more. They like being close together, so that's good. And then in the rest there, I'm going to cover some with pine straw, and also going to put some of the pineapples there, but keep them in the pots, and that way the weeds don't get to them as much. They grow in the pots, but you can get those out pretty easy. And then plant some zinnias, some dwarf zinnias, beautiful flowers. So put those up front. So my wife and I transformed this area because it was really low there. So we had some dirt dumped here, put some sod over it, and really happy with it so far. So I'll show you how that progresses as we go on. But if you have a home, you have a yard, if you have dirt, you know, plant something to whatever your area can deal with, you know, if it's an apple tree or whatever. So that's the plan, to plant these today, and that's not much. And then I need more sugarcane juice. So what have I got in here, by the way? So I'm going to be doing more sugarcane, and I'll show you that in this video how I juice it. I got the juicer set up in my garage. So what have I got in here? You're going to be surprised when I tell you what's in here. I mean, I've drunk about 3/4 of it already, but I had 6 bananas, 4 medjool dates, and 4 tablespoons of white processed sugar, white table sugar. Now you may be thinking, that is insane, that's way too much sugar, man. But you have to remember, I am not eating a high-fat diet. My diet is very low fat. About 5% or less of my diet is from fat. So that's what enables me to have the energy, because my glycogen stores are topped up. You know, I've got sugar ready to go to the cells, which is key. Every cell in the body is fueled by simple sugars, and this is what we need. But most people think it's crazy because I've got white table sugar, 4 tablespoons, with bananas and dates and some water. But I found that it doesn't bother me because I'm on that low fat. So the more that you can cut back on the fats, the more sugar you'll be able to uptake. And the more sugar you can uptake, the better you're going to feel. It's for all your bodily functions. You need that sugar going to the cells. So, you know, it's very sweet, but I can take it, like I said, because it doesn't bother me at all. And, you know, I'm getting up in age, 76. But I've been on a low-fat diet now for quite a while, going on 17 years, very low fat. But sometimes I'd be up around 10%, 15% sometimes. But now I've gone way down, 5% or less of my diet from fat. More sugar, even the white table sugar, is helping to fuel my body. I use it as a supplement. It's a supplement. People take supplements all the time, but this is the best supplement because basically you're just taking the sun crystals out of the sugar cane, which the Creator gave us. So it's a win-win situation. I'll show you more as I go on throughout the day. Oh, by the way, I've got 2 tennis lessons from 4 to 6 p.m. So right now it is about 12:15. So in about 4 hours I have my first tennis student coming. So I got to get this stuff done. Yeah, these are good.
Thank you. I'm so happy with these.
I know, they're good.
And we still have lots of
Pine straw.
pine straw.
Yeah, I gotta get, what is it? Like I'd say 5 more of these papayas.
Okay.
Couple.
Well, we can grow them because I got so many seeds.
Yeah.
I have so many seeds. Now, did you seed these?
Hold on. I got this thing running. Okay, I'm gonna get some sugar cane here. This is kind of a mess. Let me see here. Yeah, you can see the difference. You see how that looks fresh inside, and it smells okay. This one, and it smells, it's gone bad. But up here, this part may be okay. So I'll take this and cut it here and see what we have. Probably be okay. All right, so I got 3 pieces. Okay, that's 4 pieces, and you can see that one, again, it's fresh. I got another one. Okay, check out these little babies. Yeah, and they are very sweet, super sweet. Let the sun get to them. I got some more over here too. If you look, yep, right there. Banana I need to plant, and some dragon fruit over there to the right of the banana. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to stop here today. I got my lessons coming up this afternoon. I got to chill out for a while. I cleaned up back there, and I've got 6 pieces of sugar cane. Yes! And I'll show you tomorrow. I'll do a video on how I juice it and how much I can get from these 6 pieces, which are not that big and they're not that thick. I've had them much thicker. But anyway, give me a like, subscribe to the channel if it's your first time. This channel is about health advice and longevity. All the best. Take care.